Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into RentRedi for rent reporting and property management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.rentredi.com and hit enter. Wait for the RentRedi homepage to load completely. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. In the login fields, enter your registered email address. Then, move to the next field to input your password. Make sure to double-check both your email and password for accuracy. Once you have entered your login credentials, look for the login button at the bottom. Click on the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your RentRedi dashboard. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You'll see options for rent reporting, tenant communication, and property management. Navigate through the different sections to explore available features. Feel free to customize your account settings in the Profile section. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQ or support section for assistance. Now you are ready to manage your rental properties effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.